Deputy Prime Minister's strong message on terrorism. Hi, this is Iman Tasleem. Let's have a look at 6 p.m. headline. 4 terrorists killed in Balochistan. Security forces killed 4 terrorists during an operation in Khatkocha area of Mastung, according to the state authorities. Weapons and ammunition were reportedly recovered, while several suspected facilitators were also apprehended. The operations come amid intensified security operation against terrorist networks in Balochistan. Deputy PM calls for elimination of terrorism. Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar has said durable regional peace and stability depend on eliminating the threat of terrorism emanating from neighboring Afghanistan. Speaking at the SCO Council of Foreign Minister meeting, he urged the Afghan Taliban government to fulfill its counter-terrorism commitment. Customs official martyred in Kohat attack. A custom official was martyred and another injured after unidentified gunmen opened fire on their vehicle near a toll plaza on the Indus Highway in Kohat. The vehicle caught fire following the attack, while the injured official was shifted to a nearby hospital. Law enforcement agencies cordoned off the area and launched an investigation to trace the attacker. Suspect arrested in Valencia town poisoning case. Police have arrested a suspect accused of bringing the poison allegedly used in death of women and her 3 children in Lahore's Valencia town. Investigators say remains of the suspected poison were recovered near a garbage area. Police currently suspect that the mother may have given poisoned ice cream to her children before consuming it herself, while ruling out the husband's involvement so far. Asian Games 2026 cricket draw. Pakistan, India, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka have secured direct entry into men's cricket knockout stage of the 2026. Pakistan, India, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka have secured direct entry into men's cricket knockout stage of the 2026 Asian Games. The men's T20 competition will begin on September 24 in Nagoya, with 6 teams competing for the remaining quarter-final spot. For more such updates, stay connected to Pakistan Connect.